How I act around adults versus kids as a ventriloquist.
Thank you for letting us come to your party. It was so much fun. Happy birthday. Bye.
Thank you so much for letting us come to the party. I had a blast.
Of course you had a blast. I mean, you just stood there and did nothing. I was the one that worked the entire time.
What do you mean she's just a puppet? She's totally real.
Of course I'm real.
Oh, you don't think so? Well, then how is she talking? Yeah, between you and me, she's just a puppet.
Your dress, it's so pretty. You look like a princess.
Dude, that dress is slay.
Slay.